Ever dreamt of owning a supercar SUV? That perfect mix of brute power and billionaire comfort. Picture this. You're behind the wheel of a Lamborghini Urus, sun setting over the city skyline, that V8 growl echoing through the streets. Every glance you get feels like respect, envy, and admiration rolled into one. But here's the twist. What if I told you that the reality isn't as smooth as that fantasy drive? That beneath the stitched leather, carbon fiber, and mind-bending horsepower lies a story few ever tell. Today, we're not here to just admire the shine. We're here to peel it off. Welcome to Lux Rush 60, where luxury meets truth. Because when it comes to supercar SUVs, expectations fly high, but reality? Reality hits like a bump you didn't see coming. Let's start with what makes them irresistible. Luxury's finest promises. This is luxury redefined, but at what cost? Step inside any of these beasts, a Bentley Bentayga, an Aston Martin DBX 707, or the mighty Ferrari Purosangue, and you're greeted by interiors that redefine craftsmanship. Every inch screams perfection. Hand-stitched leather that feels softer than a cloud. Diamond-cut switches, ambient lighting that adjusts with your heartbeat, and infotainment screens that feel straight out of a sci-fi film. You sit there and think, this is it. This is what success feels like. But here's where the illusion starts to crack. Because when those 23-inch wheels hit real-world roads, luxury suddenly feels less luxurious. That stiff suspension, designed to keep you cornering like a sports car, doesn't care about potholes or city cracks. Every bump sends a message. You wanted performance, right? And the truth is, performance and comfort have always been a trade-off. You can't have a race car heart and expect a limousine soul. Even the tech, oh, it's cutting edge. But sometimes, it cuts too deep. Multiple drive modes, adaptive suspensions, touch-only controls, it's all thrilling at first, until it isn't. Ever tried adjusting your climate settings in a Lamborghini while driving? You'll need a pilot's license and a YouTube tutorial. And let's not forget feature fatigue. Too many systems, too many screens, too much smart. When every ride feels like a software test, the joy of driving slowly starts to fade. But don't get me wrong, these machines are masterpieces. They deliver unmatched adrenaline. It's just that, behind the thrill, lies a truth that every owner eventually meets. Luxury always demands a compromise. So what's the reality? Owning a supercar SUV isn't just about buying speed and status. It's about accepting trade-offs. You get breathtaking design, unmatched power, and head-turning presence. But you also get the constant whisper of, don't scratch the rim. The hard suspension that makes your coffee jump. And the fuel gauge that falls faster than your jaw at the price tag. Still, the question remains, would you trade that raw, intoxicating experience for a smoother, quieter ride? Maybe not. Because for true enthusiasts, perfection doesn't mean comfort, it means connection. Connection to the road, to the sound, to the feeling of being alive in a machine that challenges you, not pampers you. That's the real beauty of a supercar SUV. It's not meant to please everyone. It's meant to test you. So before you fall for the fantasy, remember this. Behind every luxury badge is a story of balance. Between dream and demand. If you've ever been tempted by these powerful beasts, hit that like button, not for me, but for the truth that drives us both. And if you want more luxury revealed, not just glamorized, subscribe to Lux Rush 60, because here we don't just watch luxury. We live it, question it, and feel it.